And yes guys, it comes with the 2K HD resolution, as well as again guys, it comes with 180 days of battery life and free storage. And yes, it also works with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. And yes guys, again, you can have the live view and recording history right there on your app. And yes, it actually gives you facial snapshot notifications, as well as you can respond in real time no matter where you are in the world, right? So that's definitely a great thing. It is waterproof, and it works with your Amazon Alexa. And what we are going to find in a box is video doorbell and 2K, micro USB charging cable, screw pack, mounting bracket, mounting wedge, as well as detaching pin and quick start guide. So yes guys, let's get to it, and let's actually unbox it and see exactly what's inside. And yes, imagine it's not, a very large box, so it is going to be easy for you if you're traveling and you're bringing your Christmas and holiday gifts to your family, right? I feel like someone would definitely appreciate a doorbell like that. And yes guys, again, it comes with them protective film, and also the app works with your Amazon Apple Store as well as Google Play, right? So again, it's great for Android and iOS device. So I believe this is actually a sleeve, right? So this is how it looks. And yeah, so let's see what's in the box. How do I open it? Okay. All right, I guess I need to lift this part up. Okay, yes, so this is how we open it. Again, guys, Eufy security doorbell. And yes, so I believe this is your quick start guide on top, as well as the stickers, right? So again, you can stick it on your door so everyone would know you actually have home monitoring system. And here's your quick setup guide. And wow, here is your doorbell itself. Look how beautiful and slick it looks. I absolutely love it. And yes guys, it's relatively heavy, and look at these two little screws on the back. And yes, it says to remove the film before use, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And yes, what else is in the box is, let's see. Yes guys, so look, here is your mounting system, right, as well as extra screws that you might need. And here is your bracket, right? So it says this side up, step 5, right? As well as there is a restarting pin, and there is also another adapter inside, as well as a charging USB cable. So yes, that's what you find in a box. So definitely go get it. And again, I'm super excited to set it up. And is again, even without reading a manual, it kind of goes nice and snug in here. So there is a variety of mounting options. I'm wondering if it's also magnetic or not. And no, this one is not magnetic. All right. And again guys, this is the actual button that you are going to press, right? So you're going to press on this button, and the doorbell is going to ring and send you notification on your phone. And yes, so what else do we see in the quick start guide? Let's see. Okay, so yes guys, again, you can see everything that's in the box is right here explained. And yes, so again, there is a motion sensor right here on top. There is also microphone right here. There's a little hole as a microphone, camera lens, as well as ambient light sensor on your camera, and LED ring, and doorbell button, as well as a speaker right here on the bottom of the unit. And yes guys, so and your charging port is I believe right here for your micro USB. It's your charging port, and there's also sync and reset button, and also power terminals for existing doorbell wire, which is optional. And again, remember we looked at this little wire before, so if you do have a doorbell ring, you can easily switch it to that one. And also there's a detaching mechanism. And yes guys, so it says what you have to do is to power on, and yes guys, press and release the sync button, which is this one. And I'm not sure if it's charged or not. Again, it's just straight from the box. Okay, you can see it's beeping. All right. And yes, and then guys, I actually have to connect it to the home base, and then power off the doorbell and reset the doorbell, right? So again, it's blinking, it's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi right now. And yes guys, so again, also it says how the system works. The video doorbell system includes two parts. One, the video doorbell at your door, and as well as a home base station. And yes, it detects motion at your porch and allow you to answer the door anytime and anywhere. And yes guys, again, step 2 is adding your doorbell to your existing security system, right? So again, you are doing it through the app. And again, it is rechargeable, and it's perfect for 160 days or 6 months. And yes, so again, you can find a mounting spot. And yes, it's recommended to put it approximately 1.5 meters from the ground. And yes, so again, if you mount on a wooden surface, you don't need to pre-drill pilot holes. You can just use the provided screws. You can use the provided screws right here to secure the mounting bracket on the wall. And the screw hole positioning card indicates the position of the screw holes. Okay, so I believe I saw that card as well. Where did I put it, guys? Okay, I believe this is the card that helps you, right? And yeah, and okay, and if you are mounting your doorbell on some kind of hard materials, then you do need a drill, right? So that's nice. And yes, again, you can see exactly how you would do it. Everything is already included. And yes guys, again, super excited about my new doorbell by Eufy, and I hope all of you are as well. So definitely make sure to check it out. And again, I feel that it is going to make a perfect Christmas gift for a lot of people.